everyone, Billy Foulkes with MarineMax Houston. We recently got a new 236 Fisherman in from Grady-White boats, and today I wanted to tell you about 5 features about this boat that makes me love this model, and I really think you guys would like and enjoy your time out on the water. First thing I'm going to start with is something you can't see, but you guys can come in and experience with us. It's the ride quality of Grady-White boats. It can't be beat. I sell a lot of brands. This is my very favorite ride from all the boats I've ridden on my entire life. I've been boating since I was about 12 years old. Started in the wakeboard industry. Of course, I fished my whole life too, so I know this life. Second feature I love about this boat is the options that come from Grady-White. So we upgraded this boat with the deluxe leaning post. This boat was optioned with the light blue hull color, and we complemented that with the underside of the T-top. Up front, we don't have it installed on this right now, but if you look over at that Coastal Fog 236 right there, you can see the bow shade. Besides that, we have a nice filler cushion in here. Gives you plenty of room to relax and enjoy your time out on the water. It doubles as a casting platform, so this boat can really be used for fishing, cruising, entertaining, all the above. Another thing that complements that with your options from Grady-White is they make it super simple. They don't offer electronics from the factory. So when your boat comes in, or say you buy a stock boat, we can include whatever options you want. Radar, display, any of the displays that you can think of. Garmin, Raymarine, Simrad, Lowrance, whatever you like best, we can make it happen. Besides that, another huge feature of Grady-White that I've learned in the past 3 years in sales and 3 years before that in service is this upholstery lasts forever. I'm not even joking. I've sold boats that are over 20 years old. The upholstery comes in, same color, same material, and it still looks brand new. Besides that, it's the fishability of these boats. So much room to walk around. You got tow catches throughout the boats, rod holders everywhere, cleats everywhere so you can tie off and tie your fenders to, especially the midship cleat. You don't see that on a lot of boats. Seating that folds away so you have more room to walk around. The filler cushion that we talked about earlier gives you a huge casting platform. This is a fisherman's boat, but it works for everyone else as well. And again, one of the best ride qualities on the water. My name is Billy Foulkes with MarineMax Houston. This is a 236 Grady-White. Come see us soon.